The geneset view is another unique feature of the Human Epigenome Browser. It's similar with the data collection on the genomic features, but actually allows you to either specify a KEGG pathway or a custom geneset to organize the view. So let's start by demonstrating how to view a KEGG pathway. Actually, all the genes in the KEGG pathway. So there's two ways to specify a pathway to use, to find a pathway to use. If you know the identifier of that pathway in the KEGG database, you can directly enter the pathway name here. Or more commonly, we just want to search the pathway by a keyword. So for example, I want to look for the glycolysis pathway. I could just type the part of the keyword in case I don't know how to spell that long word, glycolysis. Then click the pathway lookup. See what we get. Okay, it's quick. We get a list of pathways that matches the keyword I just entered. The first one is the glycolysis. In order to click this link, we'll issue the geneset view on this pathway. Here another link that will take you to the page in the KEGG database to view details on this pathway. Let's view the geneset view on this pathway. So 65 genes from the glycolysis pathway is retrieved and added in the for the view. This is how the view looks like. Not all the genes can fit in for the one 800 pixel heat map. So you need to move it, drag and move it to see the rest of the genes from this pathway. And you might notice some difference from here. Previously in the genome view, we get a cyto bands right under the genome heat map. Now it's gone. It's replaced by this word and the boxes. So each box will mark out one item you entered. Actually, one item in the geneset, one gene from the geneset you just entered, and they serve the same function as the previously cyto band, that you can click and drag it on it to zoom into this geneset and see the details. Right, so we just see some of the genes more detailed look. After a pathway has been submitted, you see this panel change its look. The first, you get a list of all the genes that is currently on display for the geneset. You get the gene name, you get a coordinate, and also the brief text description. And also there is a function available for you to make edits on this geneset. The first is edit function allows you to choose define which part of gene you want to see on geneset. By default, it's a gene body. You see, these are gene body and can be as you can see from the gene body track. This is the entire gene body. You can change it to the 3 kb promoter and gene body. Let's update. So it's okay, and let's also turn on the 3 kb promoter track. Also zoom in. Okay, so you can see the box is extended beyond this gene body by including this promoter here. Also, other option available. The last option in the gene part selection is a little bit advanced. Actually, allows you to define an arbitrary region centered around either the transcription start site, transcription stop site, and also even the entire gene body. but are restricted to the 5 KB upstream and 5 KB downstream. You can use click on the glider to select a region that select a length for that region you want to see. Let's do it for a longer upstream region for the star site, actually spanning over this, and also include the gene body, actually spanning over the 3 KB promoter. So let's go to a detailed view. Okay, so you see that this entire gene body is shown, and also the display, this box goes beyond the gene body. Also, the 3 KB promoter is part of it. Sorry. Going to a closer look, you can see that this 3 KB promoter is only part of this 5 KB upstream region. Okay, so these are the first option for the is to decide which part of the gene you want to see for the gene set. Second option is to sort. You can sort the gene set here. Let's see. Let's just sort them by genomic location. This will place all the genes in this gene set according to their original position in the genome. So start by the chromosome 1, smaller coordinate increases, go to the chromosome 2. Last one will be chromosome X. Okay, no genes from chromosome Y for this pathway yet. There's also additional option for the sorting. You can see the also sort by length from long to short. See how it looks. Alright, this is you get the longest gene on the left end, and the genes go shorter and shorter when you move to the right end, and those are very short genes in this pathway. So the final options in this gene sort is you can sort the genes according to average track score. So in order to sort genes by the track score, you need to decide which track to use. By checking on the options, you will find additional drop-down menu showing up, allows you to pick up a track. Actually, a more convenient way to do this is having chosen these options, either one of those two options, you can go to the heat map and choose a track by right-clicking on it to get a context menu. Suppose that we want to just sort by this track. Let me first change it to a different color for easier view. We want to see this track. We want to sort the genes according to their average value in this track. Right-click on it. You can find one additional option appeared in the context menu, saying that select this track to sort gene set. Let's click on it. Let's see which track it is. This is a peripheral blood mononuclear primary cells. Go back. So this is that track we just selected. It will be selected in this drop-down menu. Do the update. Go up. Alright, you can see that now the genes are sorted by their average value from low to high in this green track. Move here, you see the track values are higher here. Average track values are higher here. So the track are pretty low here. Okay, so these are the gene set view for the KEGG pathways. In order to cancel current gene set view, you can click on the remove all the genes. We'll go back to a default region on the genome. The other option for the gene set view is the custom gene set. See the text area allows you to paste your gene names into here, into this text area. Also, as a generalization, you can provide the genomic coordinates here. So okay. So also the same option applies. You can decide which part of gene you want to see. And now this option only applies for the genes. So if you entered if you also enter a genomic coordinates, this option will not apply for those. Also got the custom region selection, the same as demonstrated before. Okay, so let's also do the 5 kb upstream together with the entire gene body. Let's submit. And by default, there's a set of cytochrome P450 genes. Submit. Get them. 30 of them. Alright, we have all the genes here. So you can see still the same options, same change of view of parts, and also sort the gene set, sort genes in this set options are still available for you to see. Alright, I think I'm done. Yeah, this is a final video demo for the Human Epigenome Browser that I made over the weekend. I think I made 12 of them, pretty stretched. Yeah, I'm very happy to finish all of them up. So yeah, I would like to thank the guy who made this program, the Record My Desktop, that allows me to very easily record those video demos and have fun with using my genome browser. And don't hesitate to contact me if you have any comments, suggestions, problem issues. Okay, bye bye.